Hello, I'm going to show how to check reviews on Cnfans. First of all, check Trustpilot and review sections on Cnfans. Visit Cnfans website and scroll down to product pages. Look for any star ratings or Trustpilot widgets. Be cautious, some appear generic or auto-generated, so cross-check with other sources. Read Reddit user experience, negative feedback. Cnfans is somewhat trustworthy. Not a scam, but their ordering, storage and shipping speed is insanely slow. Often you can't even return any items. Don't use Cnfans. Horrifically slow at ordering, QC photos, warehouse storage, their customer service is awful. Mixed or positive feedback. I ordered a total of 13 items, received it all 8 days after it was at the Cnfans warehouse. Perfect condition. Cnfans whole review took 11 days to come, great quality and great look. So what to look for in reviews: shipping timeline, photo quality, final item condition, customer support responsiveness, and reliability. So final verdict: Cnfans isn't a scam, but experiences are hit or miss. Best case scenario: quick processing and quality haul. Worst case scenario: long delays, poor QC, or missing items.